Hello guys, welcome to our channel Research Tricks. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to download the paid research papers, articles for free. So this is gonna be amazing video. Stay with us till the end. I will make more amazing video like this in the near future too. Hence, help me grow. Subscribe my channel, click the bell icon to get notified of my upcoming video and like the video. And if you have missed my previous video about how to download the paid ebooks for free, watch that video. Let's start the video on today's topic. Go to a browser on your device and in the search area, first of all you need to search the article you want to download. I'm going to show you the article that I want to download. Similarly, you go through the same process. You search for your favorite articles. I search mine. So for example, I search American Journal. I go American Journal of Orthopedics. It's my subject, so I go American Journal of Orthopedics. Here you can see the list of the articles, and for the demo I will select any one of them. Here anyone, I can select any one for the demo. Okay, I go to the surgical upright of the mandibular second molar, a second group retroperceptive cord study. I open in the new tab and it's open. Okay, here introduction, methods, result, conclusion, but there is no detail available here. It's simply a demo type, and here is written to read this article in full you need to make a payment. But as I said in the topic or in the title, I will help you to download this article for free. Okay, first of all what you need to do is to copy the DOI number. Every research articles have the unique DOI number. You just need to find, I have here DOI number. You can see here DOI number. You can find it for every research article. You simply need to copy it. Okay, and in the new tab you need to search Sci-Hub. Okay, I give the link of this website in my description. You can go through it. Simply here you need to paste it. Okay, DOI number 1080. Here we have got our research paper, and now we can download it for free. Okay, here is the download icon. We click on it. Download location windows will pop out. We will name it as FIRST first and save it, and its download has been completed and it has been saved in my download folder. I'll show that too. Here is the first surgical uprighting. Yes, this one is the research paper that was previously paid, and I download it for free. The best way to search the research article here is through their unique DOI number. But in case if you are unable to find the DOI number here, you can also search through the URL or simply through the title. Here you can copy the title and search Sci-Hub. Link of this website is in my description, and simply paste here and open. This is the way you can download any paid research articles or journal for free. You can apply this method to any website, to any other paid research paper. It's completely free. Hence you can gain knowledge absolutely free. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. This much for today. I hope you like it and enjoy it. And don't forget to subscribe my channel.